Welcome back to another one, guys. Today we're going to be putting some sealant on the seals, the cowling seals on this 90 horsepower two-stroke Mercury. I'll show you what the issue is at the moment. There's not much of an issue, I mean just the seals. See that? There's one that goes all the way down there and then under and around. The same on the other side. So as soon as you take off the cowling, these kind of like just pop off. So not ideal, because each time you put the cowling on, you have to basically try and push them back into place. So yeah, I'm not an octopus, don't have loads of hands. So to make life easier, I'm just gonna seal them in. So we've got some weatherproof sealant. You can probably get some Sikaflex or whatever it's called, but don't have the time to get that, so I'll just pop down the local DIY shop, screw fix. This will do for now. It will last a few seasons. Should last forever, to be honest with you, but we'll see. Anyway, just gonna pop the cowling off and show you what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. You see this? Yeah, goes all the way down to there, runs all the way up. So yeah, I'm just going to put a bead of silicone / sealant where this sits, and then it shouldn't move. But yeah, I'm just going to get some acetone and just clean up the area, because there's bound to be a bit of salt in there and bits and bobs, just to give it a better surface to stick on. Yeah, look, we see that. Just gonna clean this up as well as the inside of that. And same on the other side, exactly the same. Right, so I've taken the full seal off. Done one already. I thought I'd just show you this stage where get yourself a paintbrush or some old, one of your missus's brushes for doing your pies with, putting the old egg yolk on your pies or whatever. That's perfect for this job. Reason for that is you can get all inside, you know, the inside area very well with one of these, and it's not too harsh, so you're not going to be taking any of the rubber off. Probably use something like fairy liquid, washing up liquid. It's good for removing any oil, grease, probably perfect for this job. Yeah, just spray some on. Oh, missed. And I need my other hand for this, but yeah, just a bit of that really. Nice hot water. Going to help with getting any of the dirt off. Anyway, yeah, once that's done, leave it out in the sun to dry before you get your acetone and wipe the actual engine area down that we're gonna stick it onto. Get your acetone out, and just like I said, all around the inside of that part where our finger is, this back area. Yeah, so guys, I'm just going to run a tiny little bead in this little trench area, and then carefully place it back like so, and then I'm going to put some pegs all the way down. Anyway, I'll show you that part in a minute, but I need two hands for this next procedure, which is, like I said, just squirting silicone all the way down there, just in that groove. Tiny bit, you don't need too much. There we go then. Most important area is this part here. Make sure your right angle is lined up nicely, and it's all pressed down. Right, same for the other side. I'm running out of pegs, unfortunately, so need to go and get some pegs. it's all picked up. So I'm going to probably leave that a couple of hours just so it's proper cured, and then we get the cowling back on. Yeah, you don't want your seals to fall off in the middle of the ocean if you have to take your cowling off and fiddle around with anything. So just for peace of mind, really. There we go, boys. Taking all the pegs off, and the seals are sitting there beautifully without moving. Just how they should be. Just gonna get the cowling on, and that's it, job done. Like and subscribe.